Google Labs have invented the Mixboard, which is an AI-powered concepting board that helps you explore, expand, and refine your ideas, regardless of what idea you have, be it a product image that you want to convert into something, or you want to put a human touch or a scene or scenario to it. This Mixboard can help you generate that. If you have a mission to travel and you want to create a very fantastic professional travel guide with some of the most beautiful images of those places or of the vacation areas that you are trying to visit, this AI tool can help you in developing all that. And then it can help you to visualize, conceptualize your ideas in terms of maybe social media, brand kits. You can develop your logos, and it can give you sample appearances of how your image is going to look like on your socials with adequate branding. So in this tutorial, we're going to look at the basics of how to use the Google Mixboard, and starting from accessing it, you can just come over to Mixboard. We can go to labs.google.com/Mixboard, and you'll be welcome to this very platform. Explore, expand, and refine your ideas. Whatever idea you have, you're in the right place and it's going to be shipped. So you can click to get started. And once you're here, you can have an idea into what has been created by people as a form of inspiration. Okay, you can check the most recent ones, created ones, as well as some based on the name of them. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on new project, and you can always give your project a name. All right, and then this is the board. Now this is where you paste in your ideas, just like the chat prompt. You can plan a party, you can imagine new ideas, make something fun. You can just bring in different things. So let's start with the most basic and the first prompt that we have. So as soon as I have this killer prompt, I said this is going to be men's fashion mood board. Okay, so using my own uploaded photos, I'm going to upload some photos over here. Okay, so I have these product photos of different suits, so we have to add the images. I've uploaded these two images and of my photos, maybe products, these suits and this local dress, Nigerian local dress. And I said create a high-end men's fashion mood board using my uploaded photos as the primary inspiration. Style direction, it should be luxury, modern, confident, minimal, and so on. Elegance include outfit styles that inspired by my photos, fabric textures like linen, wool, silk, and so on. So just make it come to life. Okay, you can just literally say bring it to life with humans. Okay, so we can just go ahead and click on enter to this and take a look at the vibe it has created. So this is really wonderful and next level. See, very nice. And you can ask it to change the scene to beach type. Okay, change the scene to beach type, and let's see whether this is actually going to change the scene for us. And you can see the mood type had been changed into a beach type. So you can ask follow-up questions and you can change things accordingly. So this is the first use case. Let's explore another one. So let's assume I have this travel experience, create a cinematic travel experience planning mood board for a luxury and adventurous trip to Miami or to Morocco. This is where I want to go, possibly this 2026. Okay, so you can come over and just hit on enter, and let's see what this is going to come up with. So take a look at the mood board for my trip to Morocco, for example. This is really next level. You can be able to see and visualize everything, see the wonders. So you can use this to however you want it. You can see the view and everything. You can see the touch, some very beautiful moments that you can catch with very nice buildings. You can see really our own coffee and this night out. This is really next level and wonderful. So this is the second use case. You can of course customize this. You can download any section, you can copy, you can duplicate or make more of this, or regenerate or transform it, or ask follow-up questions accordingly. So in the next use case, I say create new project and come down here and I press in this front. This is going to be for my own personal brand. Create a personal branding kit mood board for a professional content creator and educator like myself. Brand personality, smart, trustworthy, innovative, premium, and approachable. So you can see these are the details, and it captures some of the things I did. So let's just go ahead and give you this prompt and let's see what this is going to come up with as regards personal branding kit. So wonderfully, you can see what it has created. These are editable. You can easily edit this, edit annotation and put in your photo over here, and you can check out the workspace. Very nice. And you see this as well. This can be used to build your brand directly and to show you how you're going to use this. That's a Prime Academy. So this is, for example, like if you were trying to create a cross-sell platform or thereabout for your logo, you can take inspiration from here, and then it's going to guide you towards what you're going to create as regards your brand. So let's use one more use case to see how we can put this to use. Okay, so this prompt creates a workspace and home office design mood board for a modern professional. The style is defined, the details as regards color palette is defined, as well as the deco is also defined. So let's go ahead and give it this prompt and see what this is going to generate for us. So the baseline is you have the whole thing to yourself. What kind of idea, what kind of concept do you want to bring into the board, and how do you want it situated? It can help you to analyze, to arrange, to design your mood board so you can be able to conceptualize your idea and see it directly as it is before you even actualize it. So like this is the workspace. Take a look. Very nice and very professionally done. So you can be able to have access to it even prior to you actually owning it. Take a look at the chair. Well prepared. This is the wonderful ergonomic one. Take a look at this. The arrangement is really nice, so you can picture this to your own advantage. Maybe you can put some lovely thing by the side to have a better access. Take a look at a more clearer view of the mouse. So just go ahead, explore, see how you can put this to your advantage in your content creation, in whatever ideation you are into, conceptualization, and then you can be able to see and design it accordingly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.